A big question mark is, रोहन आपको और पैसे क्यों चाहिए, आपको और फिटनेस अपना क्यों ठीक करना है, आपको फाइनेंशियली और बेटर क्यों होना है, आपको बेटर रिलेशनशिप्स क्यों चाहिए? बिकॉज फॉर फिटनेस आई डोंट वांट टू डाई एट माय 50 or without having control on my life. That was my why. For business, I wrote down because I have a strong desire to turn all people into individuals with esteemed characters that can be represented globally rather than the image that we currently present. Indians के against बहुत ज़्यादा racism हो रहा था. That is something that I noticed abroad when they are going out and actually pitching their services. This is what I want to change, right? So rather than Indians being considered as an outsourcing agent, ठीक है, and having all that misbeliefs that a lot of people abroad have about us, I decided to launch this company and change that. This is why I do business. The opportunity cost of not doing this business: low paying job, daily commute करना पड़ेगा, strict ground rules होने पड़ेंगे, no sense of freedom होगा, right? So this was the conviction that I had. Then what were the skills that I needed, right? So I needed how to actually run a funnel, right, which is a marketing funnel, and then being able to successfully diagnose, which part of the funnel is actually broken. Then again, system control, which is like the metrics needed to achieve the goal. What was the behavior that I needed, right? This is the time I had to wake up. This is the time I had to work out. This is the time I had to meditate. This is the time I had to do gratitude. And this is the time I had to study this particular document, right, in order to really visualize and see myself achieving that goal. Okay. And then किस टाइप का environment होना पड़ेगा ताकि मैं goal achieve कर पाऊँ, right? An organized environment. बहुत सारे लोग अपने बड़े बड़े goals करते हैं, उनका ऑफिस देखोगे आप, पूरा गंद वंद आसपास पड़ा होता है. It's not clean, it's uncluttered, right? I like an environment which is colorful, natural lighting है, right? There's other lights, the sound is pleasant, furniture is there and attractive, there are plants around if needed, mementos are present, art if you can, right? And the temperature is exactly suited to my body. So these were all the things that I had to literally do. Like a lot of people, what they do is they have like 3-4 computers, इतना fancy iPad यहाँ पे चल रहा है, इधर उधर expert बन रहे हैं और पैसे कुछ कमा नहीं रहे. Honestly, like I had to like really simplify my life. Like एक computer चाहिए, which is only one laptop, right? Because more computers, more issues, right? It needs to be super fast, one of the highest spec laptops. Just one phone. I don't need 4 or 5. No tablets, just one screen. I will use a mouse. No crap, right? No fancy webcam, none of that crap. Just one Ethernet and just one thing on the desk. Minimum apps, one tab, at reach of everything. Phone always off when I'm doing deep work. No email. Clean desktop. Binaural beats. Again, you can type binaural beats on YouTube whenever doing focus work. But what I'm trying to say is these were the things needed in order to achieve the goals, right? Certain things that could block me when achieving these goals. For example, I would sometimes start getting in the mindset of blaming the market कि यार इंडिया में लोग इतना पैसा नहीं देते. So I would like always try to like rewire my brain कि नहीं नहीं यार, actually they do pay a lot, right? So these were things that I had to do. I had to also create a list of affirmations that I would read every single day. For example, this is one that I really like: accomplishments and meaningful connections with other purpose of life. Your purpose in life is to give other people their purpose. Just know that the dots will connect somehow. They always have. So these are some wonderful quotes that I've heard some of the big entrepreneurs on earth use, right?